Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I took a couple of days off of filming just because I was trying to enjoy spring break with Connor, and we were honestly just out on the boat and in the water because it was really good weather. And today it's like cloudy and gloomy, but I'm on my way to a wax appointment because I'm leaving tomorrow for Colombia, which I need to pack and prep because I haven't packed and prepped anything at all. So today is pretty much just going to be that. Luckily I fly out at 9 p.m. tomorrow, so that won't be too bad, but I still need to get most of my packing done today. I'm gonna go and do this wax appointment because I scheduled it weeks in advance, and then I'll go back home and start like packing some of my stuff and thinking of just what I want to wear. Again, it's not like a trip where it's like fits, just because I'm going to see family, but I'm sure like we'll go out to dinner with my cousins and like go do some fun things, maybe go out one night or a couple of nights, I don't really know. But yeah, I'm excited to go back to Colombia. Also sad because Connor's leaving for school today again. But yeah, I am still pretty sleepy. I feel like the morning is just making me super groggy, and we're also dog sitting, so I've been getting up super early to walk the dog and feed her in the mornings. But welcome back. I'm gonna throw in a load of laundry. I just separated my whites and darks. I want to throw in some clothes because pretty much all of the clothes I want to take, or majority of it, is in the dirty laundry. So I'm gonna run a load before I head out. I'm gonna wait for this to completely wash and then I'll put it in the dryer, throw in the last load so I can start packing tonight and have enough time to give like the things that air dry or hang dry to dry. I just did my makeup and it looks insane. Check out my TikTok for new makeup Monday. I'm gonna edit it and get it up by tonight to see what products I use because my makeup looks insane. I'm obsessed with it. But now we're gonna go take my brother to sleepaway camp because he's heading out today, and then I'm gonna go run the errands I need to for my trip tomorrow. So I've concluded I need face wash. I want to try and find some makeup cleansing balm, but like a travel size one, because I don't want to take a full, like my full size one. And I need to go pick up the Say Glowy gel for my cousin. So tip: if you're traveling, go to Bed Bath & Beyond into the bathroom section. They have the best travel size little area that I've seen at any store. So I'm gonna see if I can find my CeraVe face wash and the little empty bottles for shampoo and conditioner. If not, I'm just gonna go to Target later today when I go to pick up a book or two for the trip. I'll just pick those up there, but they usually have this CeraVe foaming. They usually have the CeraVe foaming face wash here at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I'm gonna go there. and I'm taking some stuff to get tailored, like these local European pants. Even though they have the little fastening strips, I am going to get them like permanently put on that because they come loose a little bit, but they're my favorite pants ever. I think they're my favorite pants ever, and I just haven't been wearing them because they slide down my body and they fit me too big. And some other pants, so I'm just gonna kind of do a montage while I pick some clothes out. Good morning, you guys. It's the day I'm flying out for Colombia, and I'm so excited. I'm excited to see family and just kind of have a little vacation. I am just cuddling the dog that we're dog sitting right now. Her name's Cleo. She's the cutest little pup ever and is so cuddly. She sleeps at the foot of my bed every single night when we've taken care of her. It's like our 10th time taking care of her, so we have had her for quite a bit. But I just wanted to vlog because I haven't been posting that many vlogs for you guys, so I kind of want to pick it back up and start just filming more for you guys. I am flying out, so there's going to be a ton of Colombia vlogs and just content all over my TikTok and Instagram and my YouTube, so definitely go follow me on those platforms too and subscribe on here. There's so much I need to get done, like finishing packing, going to Target, going to Sephora, getting a card, just stuff like that. So I figured I'd bring you guys along. So I'm gonna get ready for the day and we'll go pick up some coffee and just start making our rounds. I made a whole list of everything that I need to get done and everything that I still have left to pack. I got dressed and showered for the day, and I'm just throwing on some light makeup onto my face because I really don't feel like it, but since I'm just gonna be running errands around, I want to look slightly put together, so no foundation. Look at it in just some cream blush and bronzer and tinted brow gel. This bronzer specifically looks really good on bare skin, and I've become a really big fan of it. I feel like I'm gonna have to pick up a darker shade in the summer so I can keep using it. It's the Merit Cream Bronzing Balm in Sane. I think that's how you say it. I'm just quickly blending in the bronzing balm just to add some color into my face. It's really easy to blend, which is why I like the formula so much. And then gonna take a little bit of the Rare Beauty eye brightener. Saw her use a darker shade on her TikTok, and I think that that's such a genius idea, especially because I really like the formula of this. I think I might pick up the darker shade during the summer for bronzing purposes. And yes, I put this eye brightener literally all over my face. I don't just leave it for under my eyes. Especially since today I'm doing like very light makeup. I'm doing it like all over. But I gave a haul for you guys in the last vlog, and I had a curling iron in it that I had gotten from Ulta, and I'm thinking about possibly taking it with me to Colombia just to kind of try it out and see if I want to curl my hair one day. Yeah, because I feel like if I were to curl my hair, it would be there. Also, the lighting is like not adjusting, but throwing on some Rare Beauty liquid blush and Hope. Think I might go and pick up the Merit like balm, like little bronzers, just because I like this so much, and I feel like that together for like a no makeup day would be really, really cute. But I think I might take my curling iron, like I was saying, to kind of try it out while I'm there. But I also get my hair done a lot in Colombia because it's so much cheaper than it is here. So I'm on the fence on whether I'll actually use it, because I already am taking so much clothes that I don't want to like take anything that's like unnecessary or that like I won't be using, because I know I do want to go shopping there. I want to get some bathing suits for the summer. I want to get some clothes. So I just don't want to like take up space unnecessarily. I took my hair out of the roller and it looks nice and bouncy and just has some body to it, which is what I like. My blowouts, my favorite blowouts ever are in Colombia. There's just something about a good blowout there. They really know what they're doing. But makeup looks good, hair looks good, and let's head out. I also didn't do any mascara. I've been rocking the no mascara look more lately, which has been kind of a vibe. And then this is the fit, which is just some leggings and a green crop top. I just went to Target and picked up 2 new books for my trip, which I'm really excited about. Picked up 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo and Malibu Rising. They're both by the same author. I still haven't read any of her books. The other one that I wanted to read was After I Do, but I think once I finish these, I can get a better idea of the author, and then I'll go and pick that one up. And then after that, I'll pretty much be in my summer reads, and I think I want to read The Summer I Turned Pretty. I haven't watched the series because I've been wanting to read the book before I watched the series. I know that a movie or show came out on Netflix because I actually saw it while I was downloading movies and TV shows this morning. But I like to read the books first because I feel like it doesn't spoil it. I don't care if like a TV show or a movie gets spoiled, but I do care if a book gets spoiled. I also got pumpkin bread and it's so good, even though it's not the season for pumpkin bread. It's chilly today. It's like in the low 70s, high 60s, so pumpkin bread it is. I picked up some lunch while I was out. I ran to the mall and did one last errand at the phone store, but I picked up some just salad for lunch. I'm so excited. I wanted to have a salad before I go and leave for 2 weeks. I know I'm not going to be eating super healthy, so I figured a salad would be my best option today, but I'm going to have some lunch and watch a video and then start and finish packing because I'm way behind on time. I packed all my clothes. I have all my tops in here, all my bottoms in here, underwears, bra, and socks, and then I have 2 like workout sets with some leggings because it's going to be pretty chilly while I'm there, some PJs and some sweatpants, and I'm going to start putting it into my big suitcase. I'm trying to minimize as much as possible because I feel like I know I'm going to go shopping there. I don't know like how much stuff I'm actually going to get, but I'm going to put it in here, and I have some sleeves in here, which is why I'm kind of leaving these because there's not that much of this. And I just brought a bunch of basic tops, a bunch of like basic bottoms that I can just mix and match while I'm there. And then I'm going to take a big oversized black blazer, and then I have a leather jacket there that I steal all the time from one of my uncles. That will probably be the 2 like pieces I wear for outerwear, and then just like the hoodie that I take tonight to wear on the plane for traveling. But I'm going to start putting this away, and then we're going to go do toiletries, makeup, and hair stuff.